I'm Jonathan Green with Alair Old Naples. I'm a project manager. Right now we have just done our primer coat with paint and our flooring has started installing. We have two different types of limestone here. They are both 24 by 48, very large format tiles. You don't really see that very often. They're also extremely heavy. It's 3/4 inches thick. We had it shipped in from Portugal. They put down ProFlex. It's a moisture barrier to keep any moisture from coming out of the concrete into the floor. It's very important in Florida. We're at the stage now where the home's really starting to come together. All the flooring is going in and we're starting on the finishing work. So we've got it all primed and getting ready to start painting, and this is really where you see it go from a construction site and turn into a home.
Hi, I'm Michaela Henning. I work with HLevel Architecture. We are a small boutique style planning firm that we run together with Henning and me. The wow feature of this house is going to be the skylight in the foyer, in the entryway. For the client, it was important to bring as much of the outside inside, and so that will not only bring lots of light into the two-story stairwell, but also be a really cool entry feature.